Hello my friends and welcome to our channel again. It's 2020 and we want to wish you all the best for 2020. Now for this particular video, what you will see is you will see myself and Tanisha individually giving our viewpoints on 2020 and the kind of mindset that you need to have in achieving goals. Now I know you guys would like to see us together, like together, but for this particular video, we will each be individually just expressing our views. Stay tuned. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Hello, welcome back to our channel. Yeah, it's a new year, it's a new vibes, it's a new energy, it's a new look. Yeah, I want to wish everyone a happy new year, all the best for 2020 and beyond. Okay, yeah, new look. So with a new everything for 2020, first of all, you have to have a new mindset. That's where it starts, a new mindset. So whatever it is that you want to accomplish within this year, you have to start with the end result in mind first, right? Think about it. Whatever you think about comes about. You'll manifest. So first you start with thoughts, then your actions will follow to manifest that thought. Right? So write down on paper what is it that you want to accomplish this year, and the actions that you take should be in alignment with that thought, right? And you shall achieve. I want to just remind you that you can always start over, right? Don't feel pressured by internet, by friends, by family, by anyone. If it is that you feel like you're off track with your goal, or you want to start over your goal, or you want to set a new goal or something else, right? Don't feel pressured by anything. Just do you and do you, right? Feel free to start over 2020 fresh anytime you want. So go after it, yeah? Make it a great year and feel comfortable to do you.
2020. For me, I know it's going to be an awesome year, and for you, I wish it going to be an awesome year for you too. It's a year that everybody been talking about. Yes, in 2020 I'm going to do this. In 2020 I'm going to do that. But I tell you, once you stay focused and committed, any goals and dreams that you have for 2020 will definitely come true. I can assure you of that. Now, for 2020, if you want to achieve your goals, my friend, stay positive. Having a positive mindset is very, very important in goal setting. Maintain that positive mindset, and I tell you, you can accomplish a lot. The negativity of life is going to be there, because for the most part, in any given day, you're going to come across a lot of challenges and issues. And if you focus too much on them, you're going to lose track. So my advice to you, and what I will be doing, is to stay focused and not be caught up in the negativity of life. It's also important that the friends around you, that their mindset is also positive. So I tell you, and you have seen it before, you know, having negative friends around you sometimes will deter you from your goals. You come up with a good idea and they say, no, this don't make no sense, this not gonna work. And if you're not strong, you will yield to that level of negativity. So ensure that your group of friends, your circle is positive, it's uplifting, it can motivate you. Because yes, you're gonna have bad days, you're gonna have down days, and when you have those down days, my friend, you need somebody in your ear who's gonna whisper some kind words, some motivating words and stuff. Now, some of us are single and some of us are in relationships. I hope that whatever relationship that you're in right now, that it is not toxic. It is one that you and your partner can come together and agree on stuff in a mutual way, in a respectful way, and that together you guys can achieve those goals that you set out for 2020. So I want to wish you all the best in your relationships. I'm over here in mine and it's awesome, guys, I must say. But as we go along, you will hear more about my awesome relationship. So all the best on that relationship. Now, my fans on YouTube, thanks for joining in. Thanks for watching my videos. Please comment below. Please subscribe.